Hello and good morning. And today is April 4th, the 7th day of this Advent calendar, the Easter egg. So let's go ahead and look and see what we get in day 7. I'm sorry I made the mistake yesterday of saying 5. This is a yellow egg. Yes, I'm colorblind, so I can't tell. This is yesterday's egg, which has hints of pink in it. And this one's all yellow. It's pretty. Here it is next to yesterday's. That way you can compare the color, since I can't seem the color code. All right. Um, let me know which ones you like so far. And thanks for watching.